Hi, it's Emily, and today I'm doing a tutorial on this Rose Gold Holiday Glam. And I'm actually collaborating on this video today with Amy from SelfLoveMama, and she's actually my cousin, so I'm super excited to be doing this video today. And you guys should definitely go check out her channel. She's doing a holiday glam within collaboration with this video. I'll link her channel down below. You guys should definitely go show her love. She does videos about her mom life, thrifts and hauls, and her vlogs are my personal favorite, so definitely go subscribe to her, show her some love. She works really hard and she really deserves it. And she's also doing Vlogmas, so you should definitely go check out Vlogmas. And if you're new to this channel, if you're from the SelfLoveMama tribe, I'm Emily, and thank you so much for clicking this video. I love all things beauty related, so I'll be doing videos on makeup tutorials, product reviews, and skincare. So if you love anything like that, hit that subscribe button and let's get into the look. To create my look today, I'll be using the Rose Gold palette from Huda Beauty. You don't have to use the same palette as me to create a look like this. You can just use other rose gold colors to get something just like it. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Morphe Eyelid Primer, and I really like this stuff as it helps my eyeshadows not crease all day. First, I'll be setting the primer with Bay, which is the closest color to my skin tone in here, and I always like to put this all over my lid just to help the other shadows blend on top. First, I'm going to start off with Shy, which is this really beautiful color in the palette, and I'm going to start by putting this all over in the crease and blending it out. Next, we're going to go in with henna. I'm going to help deepen the crease and just add a little bit more dimension. I'm going to make sure to keep henna lower in the crease so it doesn't disrupt the color we just put down above. Now I'm going to put Bossy on the outer and inner parts of the lid to help create the halo eye effect.
Perfect.
I like to cut my crease with a Tarte Shape Tape concealer, so that's what I'll be using to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take Rose Gold and put that all over the lid. I find that this formula is really creamy, and so it's best to apply it with your fingers for the full pigmentation. If you wanted to add a little bit more glitter and shine to your look, I use this Rose Gold glitter from MAC. To help make my glitter stick, I'm going to be using the Lit Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. I've been using this for a long time and I really like it. Now I'm going to take a little bit of black truffle and I'm going to run this just along my lash line. This makes it to help look like your eyelashes are a lot thicker and darker without adding any thick liner. So I'm going to be using these Morphe brow products today to do my eyebrows. I also recently just did a first impressions and review on these products, so if you'd like to see that, I'd make sure to link it in the bio down below. So I use Cosmetics foundation. Obviously I use the lightest color a lot for my own foundation, and I usually use these other colors for when I'm doing makeup on someone else, but this is a foundation that I really have been using and liking, enjoying right now. So I'll also be using the same concealer from earlier to help conceal and brighten. So now I'm going to use this Hoola Quickie Contour Stick from Benefit to just help contour my face and add some warmth. I really like this product. It's really buildable, very blendable, and I love the color on my skin as well. It helps add a lot of warmth. So now I'm just going to be setting all of my creams with a translucent powder, and obviously I've been giving a lot of love to this guy and I really like it. For my lower lash line, I will be using Bossy, Henna, and Shy, which are the same colors that I used in my crease earlier. So I've really been enjoying using the Pixie by Petra Natural Contour Powder in Shape and Shadow. I really like to use this as my powder contour and just to help add any more definition or depth I want. This is also super buildable and easy to blend, so you don't feel like you have too much to work with at once. For blush, I'm going to be going into the Morphe Cool Pro palette, and I'm going to be using both It Girl and Driven for my blush. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Geek Cosmetics palette that she created with Kathleen Lights, and I'm going to be using the highlighter in Starlight. I personally like setting my makeup with a setting mist because I feel like it helps melt all the layers together, and I really like this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist because it's alcohol free, so it never dries out my skin. For mascara, I use the Marc Jacobs Noir Mascara on top, and I use the Pixie by Petra Lower Lash Mascara on the bottom. For lips, I'm first going to start off with the ColourPop and Amanda Steele Ultra Satin Lip in Jiffy. I'm also going to top it off with this Ultra Glossy Lip in Wham. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what type of look you want to see next, and don't forget to go over to Amy's page at SelfLoveMama. I'll link it down below. Go subscribe to her, go like her videos. She really deserves it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.